Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. As summers are approaching, the weather is getting hotter and this is the time when most people plan to invest in home cooling appliances. In today's video, I would like to introduce you to the V-Guard Desert Air Cooler. This video is powered by V-Guard. Now let's get started. First, let's unbox the V-Guard Desert Air Cooler. The cooler is well packaged and comes with everything you need to get started. This is how the cooler unit looks. It comes with 5 caster wheels, a remote and a user manual. This cooler is designed to provide powerful and efficient cooling in hot and dry weather conditions. It comes with a range of features that make it an excellent choice for cooling your home. So let's take a closer look at what this cooler has to offer. Looking at the quality, it is quite impressive. It is well built and feels sturdy. As it comes with wheels, moving it from one room to another is easy. A nice touch is a cord winding provision to make the power cord tuck away neatly when not in use. It has a modern and beautiful touch panel. This is the power button. Humidity button that helps to maintain the ideal humidity levels in the room. This is the cool button to increase the cooling, and this is the swing button to oscillate the louvers. You can choose the speed of the fan from high, medium or low respectively. It also has a timer button to switch it off automatically after certain hours, 1 to 10 hours, and sleep mode that adjusts the fan levels from high to low automatically. There is also an indicator given here which alerts when water level is low. This is where water must be refilled, and there are two options, a hose or a mug. It needs to be filled up to the indicator level given here at the bottom. There is an overflow valve at the back which drains excess water filled accidentally. It is recommended to place the cooler near the window or door and away from obstructions. Cross ventilation is essential for getting the best results from the cooler. When it comes to tank capacity, it has 85 liters, which allows it to run for longer periods of time on a single fill. The cooler has an efficient honeycomb cooling pads that aids in cooling efficiency. The honeycomb pad is long-lasting and can save you money on replacements every year. In terms of performance, it is outstanding. Even on the hottest days, it quickly and efficiently cools the room. The cooler produces 4700 cubic meters per hour of air and can throw it up to 15.2 meters. The cooler performs consistently on low voltage and is inverter compatible, which is the best part since it means you won't have to worry about power outages or low voltages. It has thermal overload protection, which protects the pump and motor from thermal stress caused by factors such as dry running. Smart memory is another feature that enables the system to restart right away with preset parameters even in the event of power failure. As stated on the MRP sticker, this cooler should cost around Rs 17,000. But you may get this for discounted prices as well in your respective cities. In addition, the motor and pump are covered by a 2 years warranty. So what are my thoughts on the V-Guard Desert Air Cooler? The build quality of the cooler is impressive. It looks modern and stylish. It cools the room quickly and efficiently, making it a great choice for hot summers. The cooler's honeycomb pad is particularly noteworthy and adds to the cooler's efficiency. Plus, it is easy to operate and comes with a remote control for added convenience. Overall, I would highly recommend the V-Guard Desert Air Cooler to anyone looking for a powerful and efficient air cooler. It comes with a range of features that makes it a great choice for hot summers to cool your home. Thank you for watching, and I hope this review has been helpful. Bye bye.